It's the amplifiers.
And it's the bottom one. It's labeled east-west bleachers. And every time that comes on, the speakers in outside by the east and west bleachers kick out for a half a second. So I don't know what that is, but it's making this horrible noise, which I think is the fan.